Hey guys, so today I'm going to be organizing all my fidgets. So let's begin. Here they are. So, yeah, let's organize them. So let's just get the puppets on one side, on with the music. Puppets. Now let's just get some monkey noodles. Okay, now let's get my dimples. Now let's get my Rubik's cubes. Now my infinity cube. Now these wacky tracks and this snake and this snake and my two pop tubes and whatever this is. Okay, now I'm gonna put them into my drawer. Technically my container, so yeah. Hope you enjoyed.